Let's show Grandma and Grandpa. Let's show Grandma and Grandpa how you like to kick. You need a little bull riding arm. Yeah? This is what we do after bath time. We kick and kick and kick and play bull rider. Yeah? Say, Grandma, you can do this for hours and hours. Did you love to kick? Yeah? Should we get your jammies on and kick some more? Look at that look on her face. Keep kicking. Keep kicking. Good girl. Alright, let's get your jammies on. Love you, Grandma and Grandpa. Love you, Grandma.